Hello, I'm Joseph Guzman. I'm a film student at MediaTech, and this is my student spotlight. So what got me into it was, long story short, Star Wars. And I see all the behind the scenes stuff on how, they made it. And then I found the disc, I watched it again, I'm like, that's how they made it? And that's amazing to me. And it wasn't until I thought it was a job until after I graduated high school. My 9 to 5 has to be something that I love and something that is me. So I thought videos and movies is just what called to me the most. Applying for film jobs was just not doing it. They wanted people with experience, and I felt very unqualified to handle equipment. So I thought, if I went to film school, my wife found this program, and I did the walkthrough. They showed me that huge green screen and the live sound, and I'm like, this, I might be able to do this. I thought it was a really cool, just walk through. I saw the movie posters everywhere. Imagining my movie poster up there, I thought would just feel really great to feel like I actually created something, and it's gonna be, a mantle for future students that come here. So I think that's just, I think I got real lucky finding this school. Overall, I think my motivation is my family, my wife Etzel, my baby Amelia. My mom was a big supporter. There's a lot of opportunities here, and I feel like if it's meant for somebody that is really wanting to take whatever they're being taught here into their careers in the future. Yeah, MediaTech is just a great place to get started. It's a great way to get your foot in the door of the experience and the feel of how it's gonna be outside of school. That's why I say I'm very grateful to be here. With the dedication, I can really make my own stuff. I can help people make their own stuff, and I can show the world my vision. That's my ultimate goal, is just to show them my vision and support my family with it. After being here, I can, confidently go up and be like, hey, I'm ready for work, and they offer it to me, I'm gonna do it. And either if I fail or if I succeed, it's one step closer of me going to my goal on just, being a director, and, that's the dream. This is Joseph Guzman. Thank you for watching my MediaTech Student Spotlight.